Hello everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how to create a clean and smooth slow motion effect using Twixtor Pro in After Effects. To get started, create a new composition. I am using 1440 x 1440 resolution with a 1:1 aspect ratio, but you can use any size that matches your project. Import your footage, scale it correctly and position it in the center of composition. Once everything looks good, select the clip and pre-compose it before adding any effects. Now search for Twixtor Pro in the effects panel and apply it to pre-composed layer. In the Twixtor setting, disable out FPS and manually enter your source clip's frame rate. Next, change image prep to contrast as enhanced and set frame interp to motion weight blend for smoother frame generation. Now it's time to animate the speed. Add 3 keyframes at the start of the clip, set the speed to 70 around the middle, reduce it to 35 and at the end increase it back to 70. Press U to reveal the keyframes, select all of them and apply ease in and ease out, then adjust the graph so it matches the one shown on the screen for the smoothest result. And that's all. Your Twixtor slow motion effect is now complete and ready to use in your edits. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next tutorial.